Okay, Wuben, your Instagram ads finally got to me. Now that I've purchased your G5 flashlight, can you please stop bombarding me with your ads? Greetings, friends. Today I'm looking at an ultra-compact EDC flashlight that's been making waves among gear fans and flashlight reviewers, the Wuben G5. For those who love smart, pocketable tools or just want something dependable for work or emergencies, is this $20 gadget actually worth carrying every day? And are all its whiz-bang features useful or just gimmicky? And is it small enough to serve as a keychain flashlight? Let's get into it. Okay, let's see what's in the box. There's a small instruction booklet, a charging cable, short lanyard that you can use to attach the flashlight to anything you want, and of course, the flashlight itself. First impressions are good. The Wuben G5, as you can see, is pretty small. It's about the size of a Zippo lighter and weighs just 53 grams. It feels solid for its size, with a premium feeling aluminum body, and every component feels nice and sturdy, even the small plastic bits. This little light packs a surprising punch, a 400 lumen max output, an 82-meter beam distance, a 180-degree swiveling head, and both white and RGB LED options. There's a lot of capability in a nicely built and small package. No, it's not as small as some of the keychain flashlights I've recently reviewed on this channel, but frankly, that's okay. This isn't exactly a keychain flashlight, though I suppose you could use it for that purpose. But for most people, I'd say this is more of a very compact EDC flashlight with a lot of capability. Another feature is the magnet on the base, which lets you stick it to any metal surface for hands-free use. That's super handy if you're working under the hood or doing something else that requires two hands. The Wuben G5 also features IP68 water and dust-proof rating, so it's built for tough, messy, and wet environments. On the side, you've got a tactile rotary dial for stepless brightness adjustment, 9 steps on the white mode, and a fun RGB color selector. The rotary dial has a really nice weight to it, and you can hear a satisfying click as you rotate it. There's also a dual-purpose lockout slider on the side here to keep it from turning on in your pocket, which I'm always a fan of. And that same slider also exposes the USB-C charging port. Let's talk about performance and practical use. The G5's white LED is very bright for its size, enough to light up a backyard or a workbench. I've seen other reviewers mention that the beam is an even flood rather than a tight spotlight, which I'd have to agree with. This flashlight is perfect for close-up work or lighting a small area. The color LED with 7 distinct RGB options is a cool addition for emergencies, signaling, or just a bit of fun. Along with the 180-degree swiveling head, it's definitely my favorite feature of this little guy. That said, the blue-red flashing mode could be mistaken for emergency lights, so maybe avoid using that outdoors in the US or other jurisdictions where that can be frowned upon. As I mentioned earlier, the built-in magnet and clip give it a huge amount of flexibility. You can clip it on your shirt quite easily, like this. There you go. Just like that. You can clip it onto a hat, slap it on a car, angle the light wherever you need it. This head and clip design are what makes this flashlight super adaptable to nearly any situation in which you'd want a flashlight in the first place. Battery life is impressive for an EDC flashlight, up to 65 hours on the lowest white mode and 45 hours with RGB. Official charge time is about 1.5 hours via the USB-C, Charging cable and the battery level indicators make it easy to keep track. Solid blues nearly full, flashing red means it's time to plug it in. The 450 milliampere hour battery isn't user replaceable, but you can use the G5 while charging if needed for longer tasks. As with some other gadgets I've been recently reviewing here, Wuben has also fallen into the trap of including a charging cable with one end being USB-C and the other end being USB-A. Manufacturers, please, for the love of God, stop doing this. USB-A is ancient. Stop making it one end of your charging cables. Let's review the pros and cons of the Wuben G5. First, the pros. Super portable, super versatile, has an RGB mode, has a nice magnetic base, the rotating head, the adjustable clip, and the controls are tactile and fun to use. As for the cons, the highest output drops out after about a minute. The white LED is a very cool white and fairly low on CRI, about 65. So colors aren't as natural as with other lights that I've tested. The head rotation can feel a bit stiff, and I'm not sure how to feel about that quite yet. It does have, again, a nice tactile sound. So as you're rotating it, it clicks into position. The brightness control could also be a bit more granular. All right, at around $20, the Wuben G5 punches way above its weight. It's compact, but full of smart features for everyday carry, home use, or emergencies. While the highest brightness won't last long, that's a trade-off for its pocketable size. The build quality is excellent. It's fun to use, and I think it's a fantastic buy for those who want something reliable and unique in their toolkit. Makes for a great gift as well. Okay, that's it for this review of the Wuben G5. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, well, I've left a link in the description of this video below. So what do you think of this little flashlight? Drop your comments below, and if you have another compact EDC flashlight you want me to review, let me know. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more EDC gear reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.